Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how we can change hero pen nib. In this hero fountain pen, seems the customer has tried to insert a new nib or he tried to remove the nib, so it is protruding half the way. And let us see how we can take the nib out and we can change another nib. I am going to hold this thread area, so please be careful if you are doing. Take a small cloth and keep it in this area. Take a plier and hold in this area. Please be careful. You may get soft grip pliers in market, in Amazon you can get, but with this plier I could able to easily remove. Just gentle, just give a gentle press and just tilt this. Now the total pen is rotating. I am applying some light pressure and holding, and I am rotating the top part. The section area has come out. Normally the leak will happen in this portion. This area is totally stuck, and let me do some washing so that the sedimented ink will go and it will be easy for me to remove this portion. Now we have cleaned the feeder area, and the customer has tried to insert this nib, and which is somewhat oversized, and we have removed now. So the diameter of this nib is not perfectly suiting with this pen, but anyhow, let me try to fix this one because it seems correct. Now it is not perfectly fitting. Let me change the nib. Now we bought the correct nib. Unfortunately we have only silver nib as of now for this exact model. Now this is perfectly fitting. Now let me fix in this one. Again we need to give some pressure and we need to tight it. So hold this thread portion carefully and just rotate the grip area. Gently hold. Now the nib is fitted. This is very loose, and let me try to fix this one also. There is no harm in just bending this one. Now this is tight. Let me try to fill ink with this in this pen. Normally what we suggest is, whenever you just press this one, whatever air trapped inside should come out, and you can see the bubbles is coming out inside this glass portion. And once air has stopped coming out, and just leave it for some time, the ink will be filled, probably maybe 10 to 15 seconds, so that ink will come through the capillary tube and it will start filling in the rubber sock. And let us try now. We can see ink is there here. Now it is fully filled. Ink got fully filled. You can see this entire portion is with ink only. So the trick is, you need to press many times or few times till the air trapped inside this rubber sock comes out. You can witness that with the bubbles coming out from the ink reservoir. Once the air coming out is stopping, and then just you leave as it is, and the ink will go to the rubber sock. So like this you can fill the total rubber sock. Now let us write and see. Jinhao is one of the best pen shops in India. Okay, the SKU for this silver fine nib is 90019. You can find this in our site. The pen is working very fine. If you like this video, please click like button, and if you want to see similar videos, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video, friends.